It's 2014, and a frantic scene unfolds inside a major healthcare, Gov war room. Developers and IT operators scramble as the site crashes repeatedly on launch day. Behind the chaos, one thing is starkly clear. The disconnect between teams is the real culprit. What if this nightmare could be avoided? What if technology teams worked seamlessly, delivering not just code, but business value at lightning speed? Welcome to the world the DevOps Handbook unlocks. You've seen how isolated teams cause disaster, but what if those silos actually break down? Let's dig into that transformation. Etsy, the online crafts marketplace, went from deploying once a week to hundreds of times daily. How? By tearing down walls between dev, QA, and ops, creating small, cross-functional teams that own their work end-to-end. That shift turned firefighting into a smooth flow of value, no more panic-driven releases. Think of DevOps like a relay race where every team member hands off the baton smoothly. Instead of tossing code over the wall, developers, QA, ops, and security get on the same track, communicating constantly. That shared rhythm prevents dropped batons and wasted time, turning chaos into predictable speed. The payoff? Etsy's customers saw new features faster with fewer bugs. Teams went from exhausted to energized. Instead of fearing outages, they owned reliability. That's why DevOps isn't just a tech fix. It's a cultural revolution that connects work to real business results. Let's get concrete. You can't fix what you don't measure. But which metrics truly move the needle in DevOps? At Google, they found that the secret sauce to outperforming competitors was speeding up lead time, the time from code committed to running in production, alongside increasing deployment frequency. Teams who measured these two metrics consistently delivered faster, safer changes. Imagine a sailor navigating storms by watching only wind direction but ignoring speed. DevOps emphasizes a feedback loop where teams see their deployment speed, failure rates, and recovery time, a dashboard guiding decisions like a North Star on rough seas. With clear metrics on the wall, teams unlock the magic of continuous improvement. They spot bottlenecks, celebrate wins, and iterate quickly. The result? What felt like chaos becomes a business advantage, where data drives smarter risk-taking and better reliability. Manual toil is the silent killer of speed and morale. Here, SY automation isn't just a tool, it's a mindset shift. Netflix pioneered chaos engineering, intentionally breaking parts of their system automatically every day to test resilience. This radical automation minimizes downtime by finding bugs before customers do, transforming dread into confidence through proactive chaos. Think of automation like outsourcing your boring homework to a robot so you can ace the creative parts. Automated builds, tests, and deployments free your teams from repetitive busywork, unleashing their brainpower for innovation and complex problems. By automating testing and deployment pipelines, teams catch errors fast and release code hundreds of times daily without fear. This discipline slashes bugs, speeds fixes, and reduces firefighting. The outcome? A virtuous cycle of quality and speed that feels like magic but is pure engineering genius. That frantic healthcare, Gov war room feels worlds away now, right? That chaos wasn't code breaking, it was collaboration breaking down. When you break silos, measure the right things, and automate ruthlessly, you transform chaos into a competitive edge. So next week, try this. Gather one cross-team meeting, pick a single metric to track, and identify one manual task to automate. Watch your tech and your culture start to hum. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.